Hey everybody, Nick Lydorf. I hope you're having a good day so far. I wanted to share a estate planning article with you just to kind of go over some concerns that I have with this and how it can kind of impact your lives in the middle of the pandemic that we're going through. This is full disclosure. I don't. Policygenius is the name of this company. I believe they're an insurance company, and I think they also sell their own digital estate planning tools, kind of like LegalZoom and things like that. So, caveat with that, but I think some numbers here are important. We don't have a lot of data that I've seen. I kind of try and keep up on this, but so survey found that a majority of people, 60%, did not have a will. And that 40% of those respondents said they feel it's more important to get a will because of the COVID-19 pandemic. What's interesting as you kind of peel back the onion, so to speak, is many respondents have misconceptions about creating a will, which have led them to avoid doing estate planning to begin with. So it found that 1 in 5, or 22%, think getting a will is too expensive or overestimated the cost of securing a will by hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Additionally, nearly half, 48%, incorrectly believe that their possessions will automatically pass to their spouse if they passed away without a will, suggesting that people may not be creating wills because they assume they don't need them. That's important. What's also important in this number here is the kind of in this last figure here is that maybe people underestimate the cost of not doing anything at all. I think that's one thing that maybe this misses. So then we're kind of getting into why aren't people doing it. So one kind of thing that we have here is that people may have a misconception about how much it costs. The bigger question is how much it costs if you don't do anything. That's one thing. And then kind of it looks like here that time is also a barrier, particularly with those families that they surveyed. But 1 in 4 people said they don't have a will because they haven't had time to put one together. That's concerning because it doesn't usually take a long time to do that. It's easy to do. So, and more than half of those respondents were parents. That's really concerning because when you deal with parents, you're looking at a lot of different issues about beneficiaries or real estate or different things like that that can really impact a family. When something can go wrong, it can really have a generational impact on a family if they don't have some proper, just basic planning in place. And this is a statement from their CEO. Estate planning can feel like a complex or time-consuming effort, but for the average family, it's usually more straightforward than expected. Yeah, I definitely agree with that. They then go on to talk about their mobile app that they have. So that's great. Good for them. I'm glad that they're actually trying to get the word out there that this is something that you need to do. So if you have questions, as always, just reach out and I'd be glad to talk with you about that. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And all right, take care. Bye.